How to connect Instagram to Discord account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to show you how you can connect your Instagram account to Discord. So let's just get started and make your profile even cooler. So first of all, open up your Discord app, and after opening up a Discord app, make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you're logged in into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. And after you've reached your profile, you're going to go ahead and tap on settings. And after that, scroll down and tap on connections. And here you should be able to see a list of platforms that you can link your Discord account with. So here you're going to look up for the Instagram list. If you can't find it, you can find this add button on the top right corner. Just go ahead and tap on it and select Instagram from right here. So if you have that option of adding Instagram account, what you're going to do is simply tap on that Instagram. For example, let's say this is an Instagram. So you're going to go on with the process, follow in the on-screen prompts, enter your Instagram credentials, for example, your username and password, and allow Discord to access your Instagram account. Make sure to grant permissions for Discord to view your Instagram profile and connect your account. And once connected, your Instagram account will appear in the connection sections of the Discord, and you can now display Instagram handle on your profile. And that is it. Now you know how to link your Instagram account to Discord. So if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials, and see you in the next video.